guys, that's Club 69 here with another quick little review, quick little pickup right here in some women's shoes. Got the W Air VaporMax Plus, size 5 in women's, Opti Yellow, Aurora Green. That's what we got. I picked these up on the Nike website. They had a really nice color to them. Really didn't do it justice on the pictures though, even though they're nice on the pictures. In person, I don't know if on camera, but man, these are nice. The orange, it's so bright. I like that little orange touch right here, the accent, the colors, the way they blend in, you know, turquoise or aqua in the back and then pink in the front, Aurora green, whatever they called it. Hair on the bottom, she already wore them. Got that little glitter in the sole, nice and soft. Got that clear lower sole, I guess. Up here too, it's clear. It's a really nice detail. Right here on the tongue, VaporMax Air VaporMax Plus. In the orange on the back, VaporMax Air, Nike check mark. That's pretty much it on these. Oh, on the bottom you got your orange check mark too. But these are so nice, man. These are, they everywhere you go with these, you know, they're gonna look at you. And they're not too loud like crazy colors. They're just really vibrant, a nice combination of colors. They're, you know, they're attention getters. Real nice shoes. Yep, the only real difference between the two is right here at the bottom. Tail says Air Max. Front has the Nike logo. Air Max on the right, and Nike logo on the left. Other than that, they're pretty much identical. Got the same color and everything. That's pretty much it for these. Just wanted to do a quick review on them. The laces seem to be lilac colored almost. I can't think anything. Oh yeah, obviously, you know, on VaporMaxes, this glows under light, under flash, I guess. But other than that, pretty much it. Quick review. It's been a while. Holidays, been busy. Let me know what y'all think in the comments down below. Please like and subscribe.